Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin and thank you so much for stopping at my channel. Today's video is going to be all about rolling in the fall, you guys. I cannot wait for the cozy weather, hot cocoa, and just snuggling, fuzzy socks, throw blankets, all the warm and cozy things, right? Lighting candles, all the things. So today what I wanted to do is get my kitchen all ready for fall and bring in some of that beautiful warm cozy seasonal decor. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. Okay, you guys, so now I am in the kitchen working with a clean slate. I have put everything away that was in the kitchen and dining area away. One lesson that I have learned the hard way is put things back where they go when you are done with them. To minimize the cluttering, you won't have to declutter. So right away, put things away where they go. Everything has a place, or should have a place. And if it doesn't, it's gotta go. We're not taking junky homes, unorganization, things not being clean and tidy into 2026, right? I donated and threw away things just to get things in order and, easily to access. When you have too much stuff, it's like, where was this? Where was that? You just feel unorganized, right? So again, I've put everything away. I've got out everything that I'm going to put in the space to use to decorate. And again, we're going with the seasonal fall look. And I'm using greens and maroon and like tan, taupe colors. So really rich textured colors. And I'm going to be using a lot of texture items. So nothing specific. It's going to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but staying in a cohesive design. Okay. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping and watching my video. If you like to decorate, organize, clean, you want to pick up some tips or just, view the channel to get some ideas, hit that subscribe button, you guys. I would love to have you join the For the Love of Decor family. Also hit the like button and the notifications bell so you're notified when I upload videos. So you guys, I just have one last question. Are you ready for fall? Because I am. I love cozy fuzzy socks, cozy fuzzy throw blankets, all the things, hot cocoa, hot tea, snacking while watching a movie under a blanket, playing footsies with your significant other or your little one. Because my 7-year-old, we rub our feet together. All the things, right? Soups. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to make homemade soups, okay? And lighting candles, turning the heater on, all the cozy things, you guys. It's that time of year, okay? I could go on, but for now, let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I got this wicker basket shaped like a pumpkin, of course, from Ross, and it is so cute, you guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect for the season. It is a wicker style basket. And you guys, it was only $5.99, right? You can't beat that. So I already have the filler, the moss balls, and some pine cones. And this fruit basket here, I bought from Ross as well. I was looking for a fruit basket that had 2 tiers so that my fruit wouldn't all touch one another. So it was perfect. You guys, this was a total gem that I found at Marshall's. So it's a lamp, so cute and so minimal, space saver, but it's so on point for the fall season. Has that sage green and the beautiful leaves around it. So I had to pick that up, you guys. So stinking cute. So my little one, speaking of stinking cute, wants to make a debut in some of my videos. So here she is bringing in a pumpkin to help me style the countertop. And I am going to be using stone vases in this look. I mentioned in the beginning that I will be using different textures, so I thought these stone oversized vases will be perfect. I will be using different florals and stems in each one, and I'm going to be using three. They just really are statement pieces, and they look so good, you guys. It's a neutral color, they're oversized, and they just look gorgeous. So I absolutely love these oversized stone vases. So I'm going to use a few more. There's another little pumpkin. Okay, you guys, can we take a pause for the chairs? These are like the perfect fall chairs. Comfy, upholstered, this really pretty green color, and has casters. Love these chairs, and I think I've showed them in the past in my formal dining room, but we don't get in there much. I just had a party last weekend, so we did party in the front room, and those are the only occasions when we're having an event at our home that we're in the front formal dining room. So I said, why don't I bring these into the area that we use more often, and also just for the design I'm going with. I'm going for those rich, the green colors, the rich maroon, beiges, browns, taupes, that kind of thing. So earth tones, right, for the fall. So yeah, I'm going to use only two chairs at this eat-in kitchen table, and love, love, love the look. Okay, and I'll have these chairs linked in the description. Okay, you guys, so continuing on, I am just placing a few placemats at the table as well as at the counter. They're not busy. They just have a few different branches with that maroon and kind of burnt orange and brown color. So super perfect for the space. Here is another one of those stone vases that I mentioned. This one is a bit more unique. It has two handles on the top at the sides. You can see there. Love this one. This is my favorite one. And I did pick this one up from Hobby Lobby. And I also picked up the one I'll bring in and put on the counter, on the island in just a moment from Hobby Lobby. The one that's near the window I picked up from Home Goods, okay? All right, so I'm just adding a few more fall themed knickknacks to the table, and I'm going to add this fall wreath to my pantry door just to bring in a bit more of the look in those colors. Love these plates. These are just some appetizer plates shaped like a pumpkin that I picked up from Home Goods a few years ago. So just adding those. These dish towels I did pick up from Ross, and they almost feel like a thick, like butcher paper, but definitely strong enough, to be a towel, but they're smooth and they're very thick. Love the design, love that it was a 3-pack. And the colors are on point. So all three towels are a different color. One is like a burnt orange, one is a sea green, and the other is like a blue color. Okay, so I'm just going to add this fall rug. And this hand soap, you guys, the hand soaps are just, it's so many to choose from, right, for every season. And I love this one I picked up over at Marshall's. It's a gel, smells so good. It's like a cinnamon scent. And I love any hand washes that are gel and thick and just luscious, when you lather it up, okay? So here's my last arrangement. And to me, the arrangement on your island is just like a focal point, right? So this one, again, I'm using different branches, stems, and flowers, but they're all in the same color scheme just to add some texture to the room. And love these stems I picked up at Ross. I only saw two, and I picked up the two they had. And it's basically some magnolias, and it has two flowers, as you can see, and then there are some that aren't budded on this stem, and then there's just some branches, and it's so sturdy. Although the stems are flexible, it's just like the perfect stems, right? So I am just fluffing everything and just deciding on how I'm going to design it. And as you can see, I'm using different kind of stems and flowers in this arrangement as well. So I just play it by ear, like just by sight, as I'm putting each stem in on how many I need, the height, and all of that. So you just kind of, look at it and see what side needs more stems added, and how tall, how short, if it needs to be fuller, that type of thing. You just decide as you go, okay? So I'm going to add this last one, and I love this look, you guys. So here is my pumpkin, bringing in a pumpkin, okay? And this one you've seen before, I did get from Home Goods. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up my evening for decorating for fall. I have decorated the kitchen and the eat-in dining area. I'm so excited for the fall season. I hope that you are too. Bring some warmth decor into your home, earthy tones and textures. It makes a really big difference in the look of your home and makes it feel nice and cozy. And I'll see you on the next one.
Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be this fool that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into the heart.
Don't think you care about me,
Oh, girl, I care about you.
but you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Don't think you care about me,
Oh, girl, I care about you.
but you don't care about nobody.
Nobody wish I had the time to run to you, not run your life. Never